Hi guys, so you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to prepare this special easy to make light soup. Okay, so to start I'm going to add some meat to a saucepan, and I'll add some blended onions, ginger and garlic to it. I'll also add 1 shrimp seasoning and some salt. Now this is always going to be the saltiest part of your soup, so you have to make sure it is well seasoned. I'll also add this small sized tomato paste to it, which will bring some flavor to our meat and our soup. To that, I'll add 1 beef seasoning. You can use any beef seasoning of your choice. And I'll add some fresh tomatoes to it, which I'll blend back into the soup when it becomes softer. So now I'll give it a quick stir and allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until our meat is well cooked, okay? While at it, I'll go ahead and blend my Lima beans, groundnut, garden eggs, pepper, and turkey berries. And these vegetable mix are packed with a lot of nutrients which are good for our health. So I'm going to strain it once, and this is the outcome. Now let's go ahead and check up on our meat, and we can see that it is coming out beautifully. The sauce has become stewy in nature, and we can see that the tomatoes is also well cooked. So I've taken the tomatoes out, which I'll blend and pour it back later on. So now we are confident that our meat has been well cooked. We don't want any hard meat in the soup at the end. So at this point, we can add our blended mixture to it. Yes, and now I'll add the blended tomatoes to it, which will bring all the qualities and flavors associated with using fresh tomatoes, and will also make the soup even more colorful. So at this point, I'll go ahead and clean my seafood. So I'll be adding some smoked catfish, redfish, and smoked mackerel. Yes. So after washing and carefully deboning them, this is how it will look like. So we will wait for the soup to come to a boil before we add the fish to it, because we don't want it to tear apart into the soup. Now I also have some thoroughly washed mushrooms, so I'll add it at this point. So now you can taste and adjust the salt to your taste, and we will allow it to cook for 15 more minutes until the soup reduces in volume before we serve. And guess what we'll be serving it with? Fufu. Yes. So I'll go ahead and cook the cassava and plantain, and this is going to be the end result. And yes, we will be serving while it's hot. This recipe is very easy to make, and I strongly recommend that you try it at home. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button so that you will be notified whenever new videos are being posted. Thank you. Bye bye.